am saying what happened. As far as PDAs are concerned, there are members in the PDA. There is a board for the PDA, and there is board whichever the area which comes under PDA in the jurisdiction of the PDA. Those MLAs basically are the members. Suppose as I'm Panjim MLA, I become member. Talegaon MLA is a member. Then Joshua is a member. Carlos is a member. Michael is a member. You know, all the constituency, whichever basically ODP, where ODPs are there. Their land is in, their area is into ODP, so they become members. Now they have been having no meetings whatsoever. Nothing has been discussed in the meetings. Because see, why they have made this members and who had made this, formulated this PDAs was formulated by our senior leader Pratap Singh Rani. He has basically formulated this PDAs and how the formation of the PDA that they only had. So here why it was members was there, a member was there, elected member was there. So basically if there is any objection he has got, or anything whatever is happening in this thing in his constituency, basically he knows of it. So that is the thing. Now here whatever PDAs have been thrown in the air, no meetings have basically been held. This is not only our PDAs, there are other two PDAs also. So this is not acceptable. We should know what is happening in our constituency. That is very clear. ODP, whatever the ODP of Panjim has been pending for the past 4 years. To be finalized. There are objections, suggestions, everything has been scrutinized. Now it is only basically the details of change of zones and whatever is there that should be basically put on the map. That we are waiting for the past 4 years. Nothing has been happening. So if at least this ODP was in place, then there would have been no problem whatsoever. And here what has happened? Arbitrarily, these people change the zone at any given time. Now 4 years became that ODP is pending for finalization. Then what has happened? Those people who had put objection suggestions, their thing has not been heard. But out of turn, whoever has come, those change of zone has been taken into consideration. So that is not acceptable. And as far as ODPs are concerned, what you do in regional plan is not a problem. ODP is mostly, it is the minute details of the place, area, where road, where all the different infrastructure should come. That you cannot do arbitrarily. You cannot just tomorrow, one fine day I get up from my thing and I see 300 floor basically come on the side of me. And I don't even know. Being an MLA, I myself don't know what is that is. This issue basically was raised by other MLAs also.
So who is responsible for this?
So
for not taking...
No, I am just trying to say let us follow the rule of the land. That's what I am trying to say.
पण मिनिस्टर काय ऍक्शन घेणार म्हणता काय डिपार्टमेंट
TCP department confidence घेना MLA
That is the reason I am saying no. The ODP, I am also waiting. ODP of Panjim should be completed, and after it is completed, the ODP of Panjim or any ODPs are basically a lifeline is set 10 years. You cannot basically touch that for 10 years. Maybe after 5 years, you can have some changes. I also want to know. So ODP is what is even now as far as CCP is concerned. CCP mayor or the commissioner is one of the member of the thing. He himself doesn't know what is happening in Panjim. Files are just coming. Files are coming bypassing basically even the chairman. Files are just been signed by the member secretary and files are directly coming. So as far as the ODP, what we have said, we have sent the files back to the PD, asking them under what section you have done this change of zone, because this doesn't figure in the original plan. So we at least should know what is happening. No?
So TCP department confidence and कोणाकोण देना असताना convergence करता.
Arbitrarily everything has been done. I am just trying to. I also want no ODPs to be done. Do the complete ODP. Then don't touch the ODPs. Now, as far as the lifeline of Talegaon ODP is concerned, last it was done when I was the chairman. That is, I think, 2019, whatever it was. So from then, so 2019, the lifeline is there till 2029. So we don't want any ODPs to be touched in Talegaon for till the 10 years.
अशें कित्याक जाता? Why it is delayed? कित्याक खातीर
That delay जाता म्हणजे these people are not taking other people into confidence. No? That is the thing. No?
These people म्हणजे कोण जाता? These people
TCP department.
Department or
TCP department, whoever right there from the head of the department. So whoever heads the department, it is right. And there is nothing, no words to be minced. I am just trying to say follow the rules. That is what I am trying to say.
हेड ऑफ द TCB डिपार्टमेंट इज विश्वजीत राणे.
Sorry?
हेड ऑफ द TCB डिपार्टमेंट इज विश्वजीत राणे. No?
Well, see, that's what I'm trying to say. No, you are not taking anyone into confidence. We should at least, as an MLA, as a representative of the thing, tomorrow fine, we will go for election. No, say, some people will, how come you gave 300 and what I'm supposed to say? I don't know what has happened. He will say you are a minister in the government and you are only telling, it is a irresponsible statement from you, that you are saying that you don't know what is happening. So at least we should know. That's what I'm trying to say. Let there be clarity.
MLS should be taken into confidence.
Let there be clarity, let the PDAs function. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yes.
Let the body function. That is my...
Thank you.